Here's the Japanese exercise. Japanese warm-up.
Now I show you a fire
Hey. Alright, when's your eyebrows? Let's go Inferno. Let's go Inferno. Alright, so I'm gonna go make your fried rice. We're gonna cook some eggs. We got lots of eggs. We have Chinese eggs. Egg roll. On the grill, go round and round, round and round. Whoop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nailed it. Alright, there's a little more eggs in. We got lots of eggs. We got lots of protein. And cholesterol. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're all sitting at the same table, but yeah.
Yeah. Now you're all together, yes.
We are now.
Okay. And just to finish up this beautiful rice. With butter.
Rice with butter.
Yeah. We got the garlic butter. That's the better butter. It is a heart. It is. I love you. Family. With a great big hug and a kiss from you. Stay to love me. I love you too.
Yummy.
Lots of veggies. Another part of your appetizer, we got some teppanyaki white rice.
What do you look like? Sorry. No.
And there's some mommy shrimps. Mommy shrimps.
Okay, I give you a clue.
Mandatory.
Mandatory volcano.
It's mandatory. Okay,
Very fresh.
it's in the curriculum. So it needs to be done.
Either way.
So when you make all of the three
Take one nerve and you're right on the break. You break one wheel? I want a thrill. Good.
Goodness gracious, all the time.
Alright, look at this. Not just fire. Ooh, yeah. It's a boy. Yeah, that's it. So. And yeah. Got more. Anybody else? Costco.
Oh man, I missed that on video. Oh,
And then you're gonna do it again.
I missed that by a second.
Well, we buy in bulk, so. And they do have really good meats. Right? Just saying. Marvelous. Still got butter on most of them. Yeah.
Your butter is a dessert too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't disappoint now.
Oh, yes. Will not.
Hey everybody, I want to thank you for watching today's video of the Teppanyaki restaurant on the Carnival Mardi Gras. We will definitely be doing this one again. It was definitely well worth it. If you'd like to see more of our crazy adventures, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.